So the EV backbone installation is the electrical framework that we install in the building, which allows you to install a charger in your car space and connect to that system. We also install a load management system as a part of this EV backbone, which ensures that none of the electrical infrastructure in the building is compromised and there are no overloads. There's a number of benefits to installing the EV backbone infrastructure in your building. The obvious first one is that you now have access to charge your vehicle. So if you have an electric vehicle, you can now charge it. A lot of Australians are planning on purchasing an electric vehicle or a plug-in hybrid as their next vehicle. So it makes sense to plan for this now. As an owner as well, it will increase the value of your property by having access to charging. And it'll also, if you are leasing out your property, it'll increase the rental yield. So it'll make it more attractive to people who either have EVs or plug-in hybrids or are looking to purchase them in the future. On the flip side, the benefit to strata managers is we provide the full turnkey solution. So once the backbone infrastructure is installed and a resident purchases an electric vehicle or a plug-in hybrid, they come to you and request a charging station in their car space. We have a set price installation so you know exactly how much it's going to cost. We come there, we complete the installation and integrate it with the existing system, and the whole process is seamless.